Looking for the perfect security cameras for your retail business? In this video, I'm going to help you identify your needs and show you your options. Whether it be for the parking lot, aisles, or checkout lines, this guide is for anyone needing help deciding what security cameras will work best for your business. Hi, Matt from Nelly Security here, and today I'm going to be your retail business security guide. If you're not already familiar with us, we are Nelly Security, one of the world's leading security distributors. Our YouTube channel acts as a community full of resources and support. Our goal is to equip you all with knowledge and confidence to use top-of-the-line security technology. Subscribe if that sounds like something you'd like to be a part of. Without further ado, let's jump right into the guide. Okay, so first let's talk about what makes up a video surveillance system. You need your cameras, Ethernet cables to connect them to the network, and a network video recorder, or NVR for short. When building out a system, we recommend IP cameras instead of analog cameras. IP camera technology is constantly improving, although while analog has already capped out on its limitations. Unlike analog, IP cameras have all of its analytics and video processing happening on the camera's end. Aside from being easier to set up and being able to do a whole lot more, these cameras allow you to power up and connect to the network all from one Ethernet cable. Now let's talk about the NVR. The NVR is a recording device where all the footage on the cameras are stored, also acting as a single hub where you can control each of your camera's settings from. A good rule of thumb for full compatibility between cameras and your NVR is to keep them all from the same brand. All the cameras we will be discussing today have mobile apps where you can access your live views remotely. Since we are working with network cameras and recorders, you can also access and control settings from your computer using an IP address. Okay, basics, check. Moving on to the main course now. Finding the perfect cameras for your retail business. Let's identify where you need a camera placed and for what reason. From there, we can figure out what will fit you best. For outdoors, there are some key areas you might want to cover with your cameras. There's the parking lot, storefront, entrances, and exits, just to name a few. Bullet cameras are often good solutions for outside businesses. You can set these cameras up in high places like on the top of a light pole or the side of the building for an eagle eyes view. The wide angle lens bullet from Uniview is a great fit because it can look in two directions at the same time. This 4 megapixel weatherproof camera has two 4mm lenses that seamlessly combine to create an ultra wide 160-degree horizontal field of view. The giant view the bullet provides is perfect for keeping an eye on cars in the parking lot. Since the bullet has human body detection, you can set the camera to only be alerted when a human body has entered a certain area. A perfect spot to install your camera could be on the corner of a building. That way you can see two separate areas at once. Another good solution for outside your business is a PTZ security camera. PTZ is an abbreviation for pan, tilt, and zoom, and that's exactly what the camera does. The camera's motors allow it to turn all the way around, look all the way up and down, and even zoom in on any subject for a closer look. There is a 4 megapixel PTZ from Uniview that not only has amazing specs and features such as a 25 times zoom factor and 330 feet of IR for night vision, but it also comes with Uniview's deep learning AI technology. This means it has the ability to recognize and differentiate between motor vehicles, non-motor vehicles, and people. The PTZ comes with a wide assortment of intelligent events such as face detection, auto tracking, intrusion detection, people flow counting, and much more. The PTZ is perfect for patrolling areas and keeping track of people entering and exiting the building. Did you know that you can actually combine a Uniview PTZ with the wide angle bullet through something called slave master linkage? You can do this with most every Uniview product, but these two cameras in particular really play off each other's strengths. You can use the wide angle bullet to cover an entire area with its 160-degree field of view. Then when a human body is detected, the PTZ will snap to any pre-assigned area for a closer look. It's super easy to set up, so go ahead and check out the video we made on that process. When it comes to indoors, it's important to cover high traffic areas and also those areas that don't get much super supervision may be tucked away in a corner. Shoplifters will tend to target those stores with less customer service and less visibility. Common places for video surveillance are checkout lines, cash registers, and employee-only areas. A security camera perfect for checkout lines and aisles is a public view monitor, or a PVM for short. A PVM is the camera and monitor combo that allows the entire public to see what exactly is being recorded by displaying the live view on a screen. It deters criminals by showing them and the entire public that they are being recorded. A sense of accountability is established. The NSC PVM might be the right fit for you. It is a public view monitor with a built-in 5 megapixel IP camera, a 10-inch diagonal LED screen, and a passive infrared sensor. When a human body is detected by that sensor, the camera will start recording. One unique feature from the PVM is that you can run ads on the display while the camera is idle through something called ad mode. You can upload photos and videos via the 32GB micro SD card right to the device. On top of that, you have the ability to have your company logo printed right onto the front of the PVM with our premium branding service. The NSC PVM is PoE powered and ONVIF compatible. So that means all you need to do is connect the camera to an NVR with an Ethernet cable and you are set. Another great option for inside retail businesses are turrets and vandal domes. These cameras are nice because their compact design make them harder to spot and get tampered with. Recently, face detection has become more popular of a feature for retail stores. Check out the TriGuard turret camera from Uniview. This 4 megapixel turret has deep learning AI for intelligent events, strobe lights and speakers for active deterrence, and 24/7 color illumination. If you prefer night vision, this camera has 100 feet of IR. All in all, a very versatile camera. Say you want something more simple without active deterrence. Check out the 4 megapixel Vandal Dome from Uniview. This camera has 100 feet of IR and intelligent events such as line cross and intrusion detection. If you're a bit more budget conscious, check out the 5 megapixel Vandal Dome from R Series. This camera will fulfill your general surveillance needs, plus 100 feet of IR for night vision. If you're starting a security system from scratch, and you know you're only going to need up to 8 cameras max, there is a perfect solution for you. The answer being the all-in-one video surveillance kit from Uniview. This kit comes with 6 megapixel turret cameras, a 4K 8-channel NVR with a pre-installed 2TB hard drive, and all the necessary cables. The only thing you would need to get separately is a monitor for displaying the NVR. The turrets are weatherproof and vandal-proof and have human body detection. They work great inside and outside. This kit is a very cost-effective solution to start off with. And since the NVR has 8 channels, there's room for expansion. Hopefully this guide was helpful to you. That's all we have for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.